Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing just a quick review on this Mahjong practice board. This is designed for a solo training. This helps teach you with the Charleston. It has 24 slots here, and it's really a good training aid to help learn how to play Mahjong, especially how to do the Charleston, and also it helps put some of the tiles in here to discard some of your tiles when you're playing. It's made out of high quality plastic, as you can see here. I just want you to see a close up of it. It really looks good. I was skeptical at first, but I don't think you have anything to be afraid of. If you're a Mahjong player, this is something you're probably going to need to help you learn how to play Mahjong. Great for beginners and pros. It doesn't really matter. You can master the 2026 card, and also I think in the future you can use them on all the other cards as well. It's built in Charleston, right, left, over. You know how I'm not 100%. I'm just learning myself. Yes, I am a guy and I'm learning myself because my wife wants me to, and that's just the way it is. But it's really good. It's a good training method, especially when you're by yourself, and also it helps you just get some of the strategies down. Especially with that Charleston, it can be very confusing. Right, left, over. That's what these all these mean. So that's the idea behind here, and that really helps and teaches you that, because that's probably one of the most confusing things. And then you can also use this to discard some of your tiles as you're learning. This makes a great gift if someone wants to, if you want to teach somebody, if they're learning Mahjong, this is a great gift. You can see what it looks like. Made out of, you can hear that, pretty decent quality, looks decent. I think these are 3D printed. They all seem to be like that, 3D printed. So that's how they make them. So that's fine. I have no problem with that whatsoever. It's clean. It's done well. You can see all the markings. Everything looks really, really good. And so there should be no issues at all learning about this. I think you'll be very, very happy. Now, just appreciate your time watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow the channel for more videos just like this.